Good morning, my dear children. How are you? So I hope you are all fine. What have we discussed in the last class? What were we studying? Yes, we were discussing a new chapter, and the name of the chapter was The Curse. Okay, that was chapter 8, page number 48. Okay, do you remember the half of the story? I have only told half of the story. Do you remember that? Yes, there was a king named Dasharatha. He was the prince. He was the son of a king, and he was a sharpshooter. He was a very brilliant hunter. He hunted animals without even seeing the animals. How he hunted the animals? He could hear the voice of the animals and he could shoot the animals from a distance. And he didn't want to see the animals. That his hearing was so sharp that he could hunt the animals even from a distance. Is that clear for you? Okay. Now, one day he went to the forest for hunting with a friend, and on that day he couldn't hunt even a single animal. So he was very much disappointed. His friend turned one way and he went to another way inside the forest. And he was very sad that day. When he wanted to drink some water, he heard a gurgling sound. He thought that an animal was drinking water from the river, from the stream. So he left his bows. So he let his bow go. So he shooted the animal. And sudden, what happened? He heard a cry, a human cry. So he thought that it was an animal that is drinking water, and that is the sound. He thought like that. But what happened? He let his arrow, and that was a human being. He heard the cry of a human being. That much we discussed in the last class, isn't it? Okay, now we are moving on to the next portion, to the continuation of the story. Page number 50. Take page number 50 in your textbook. Okay. There is the dialogue given there by Dasharatha. Look on to your textbook. Page number 50. Dasharatha. I heard a cry. It sounded like a human cry. Oh God, what have I done? Dasharatha starts running and the lights go off. The lights come on and a young man is lying on the forest floor with an empty pot next to him. So what happened? That is a stage play, and Dasharatha is going to know what the sound was, to check what the sound he heard. And now we are seeing Dasharatha. Now we are seeing a young man. How is the young man? The young man is lying on the forest floor with an empty pot next to him. So he is hanging a pot. A young man is lying on the floor, on the forest floor. A young man is lying near the river on the floor, and a pot is near him. Dasharatha. It is a boy. I have killed him. So what happened? Dasharatha is saying that that is a boy. And who killed that boy? Dasharatha. Dasharatha thought that the gurgling sound is the sound of an animal drinking water from the river. So he let his arrow go, and but that was a human being. That was a boy. Dasharatha didn't even think that it is a boy. He thought that it is an animal. But what happened? That was a boy. And the boy died because of Dasharatha's arrow. Bow and arrow, the boy died. Dasharatha was so much tense because he had killed a man, killed a boy. Oh mighty prince, you wanted to show off your hunting skills, but you have taken my life. You have killed Shravana. My blind parents are waiting for me eagerly to bring them water to drink. So this boy has not died. He is going to die. He is going to die. The arrow is on his chest. Arrow is there on his chest, and he is going to die. So he is saying that, oh mighty prince, oh great prince, you wanted to show off your hunting skills. You wanted to show off your hunting skills. You hunted because you wanted to state that you are a very good hunter. So you hunted. But you have taken my life. What have you done? You have taken my life. I am going to die. Because of you, I am going to die. You have taken my life. You have killed Shravana. My blind parents are waiting for me eagerly to bring them water to drink. So I am Shravana. My name is Shravana. The name of the boy is Shravana. So Shravana is saying that you have killed me. You have killed me. And my blind parents are waiting. My parents are waiting for me. And how are my parents? They are blind. They cannot see. They don't have vision. They cannot see anything. They are blind. Both my parents, my father and mother, are blind and they are waiting for me. Dasharatha, what can I do for you? I am ready to give my life so that you can live. So Dasharatha was so much tense. What can I do for you? What should I do? I am ready to give my life for you that you can live. Dasharatha is saying that I am ready to give you my life. Shravana, it is too late, vain and foolish prince. I do not mind dying, but my blind parents will be waiting for me in the forest. Search them out, give them the water and tell them that you have killed their only son. So Shravana is saying that it is too late, you cannot do anything. I cannot live for you or you cannot give your life for me. So it is too late, we cannot do anything. I am going to die, I will die now. And I don't mind dying. I have no problem for dying. I am okay. But my blind parents are waiting. They are waiting for me in the forest. So this Shravana said that what happened? This Shravana was taking water from the river and the gurgling sound heard. But not seeing Shravana or Dasharatha, the king Dasharatha thought that it is an animal. So he wanted to kill the animal. So he let his arrow go and the arrow was inside the chest of the arrow was shot inside the chest of this young boy, this Shravana. This Shravana was going to die. Then the prince came to Shravana. Then Dasharatha came to Shravana and Shravana is saying that what have you done to me? You take my life. You took away my life. So what can I do? My blind parents are waiting for me in the forest. So you go and search for my parents. You go and find out my parents. My parents is there. You go and find my parents and tell them you have killed their son, their only son. So this blind parents has got only a son, only one son. They had got only son and this son is now killed by Dasharatha. So the son asked Dasharatha to give the parents water, a water pot and then say that you have killed their son. The boy then dies and the prince lifts the pot and walks off the stage. The lights go off. The lights come on and an old couple is sitting on the stage staring with blind eyes. The prince enters and hears them talking. So, saying this, the boy died, the Shravana died. And what happened then? The Dasharatha, the king, took off the pot and fetched water and went to find the parents of Shravana. So our king was going to find the parents of Shravana. And the king Dasharatha found the parents of Shravana. And how was they? They were staring with their blind eyes. They were blind and they were sitting on the bench there and they were waiting for their son. Old man, why is our son taking so long? He knows we cannot live without him. Could some animal have killed him? So this old man is saying to his wife, old woman, that why is our son taking so long? Why is our son not coming? Why is he late? He have gone only to fetch some water and why is he late? He knows we cannot live without him. We cannot live without him because we are blind, isn't it? These parents are blind and they cannot live without the help of this boy. And the parent is saying that he knows that we cannot live and then why he is late? Could some animal have killed him? What have happened to him? If some animal have killed him, someone have done anything to him? Old woman, no, not our son. He is our eyes and life. We shall die without him. The prince come forward trembling. So this old woman said that no, nothing will happen to our son because God knows that he is our eyes. We don't have eyes. We cannot see anything. So God knows that the only eye we have is our son. So nothing will happen to him. He will come soon. Because if he is not there for us, we will die. We will die because no one is there for help. So we will die. That God knows, and nothing will happen to our son. Our son will come back. This is the wish of the parents of Shravana. The prince comes forward trembling. So the prince is shivering. Who is the prince? The prince is Dasharatha. Dasharatha is very tense and he is shivering. Old man, I hear something, but those are not our son's footsteps. I am afraid. Who are you? Where is our son? So I hear something. The old man is saying that I hear something, but this is not the footstep of our son. This is not the footstep of our son. What is the peculiarity of blind people? They have a good hearing power, isn't it? They have a good hearing power. They could hear something, a very, very slight voice also. They could hear and identify. And this old man is saying that someone is coming, but it is not our son. This is not the footstep of our son. Who are you? Where is our son? So who are you? Where is our son? The prince touches their feet. His eyes are filled with tears. So the prince go and touch the feet, touch the leg of these parents, these old parents. Dasharatha, I have sinned in my pride. I killed your son thinking he was an animal. I ask for your forgiveness and I am willing to do any penance that you choose to give me. So what did Dasharatha say? Dasharatha said that I have sinned in my pride. I was proud. I had got some pride that I am a good hunter. So I sinned. I have done a sin. I have done a thing to your son. I have done wrong to your son. I killed your son thinking he was an animal. I thought it was an animal and I killed your son. I ask for your forgiveness and I am willing to do any penance that you choose to give me. I ask your forgiveness. You have to forgive me. You should forgive me. I ask your forgiveness. I have done it without knowing that it is a boy. I thought it is an animal and I have done it. So, I am willing to do any penance. I am willing to do any penance that you choose to give me. So, I will do any penance. What is penance? What do you mean by penance? Penance is an act of punishment undertaken by sorrow. So, I am sad that I have done this and I am ready to undertake any punishment that you gives me. The old woman falls down with a cry. The old man stands straight and shouts in a terrible voice. So, the old woman started crying. She started crying that because she heard that her son is no more. Her son has died. So this woman, the mother of Shravana, started crying. And this old man, this father, stands straight and shouts in a terrible voice. Penance? What penance can you do, you miserable vain prince? You too shall suffer the way I am suffering. You too will lose your beloved son and suffer the pangs of separation. Now go from here. So, what happened? Old man said, penance? What penance? What punishment I shall give you? You have taken our son and nothing to do with it. Nothing I cannot do. You cannot give me back your son. Is that? You cannot give me back our son. So, no penance. What penance can you do, you miserable vain prince? So, what penance can you do? Anything if you do, you cannot give us back our son. So, nothing will happen. You too shall suffer the way I am suffering. You too will lose your beloved son and suffer the pangs of separation. So, this old man cursed. This old man cursed the Dasharatha that you will also suffer the way I am suffering. Now I am suffering that my son is no more. My son have died. So I am suffering this. So you should also, Dasharatha, you killed my son. So you also should suffer the separation of your son. So this old man, this parent, this father of Shravana said that Dasharatha will also lose his son. Dasharatha's son will also be killed and Dasharatha will also have to undergo this penance, this separation. And you have to suffer the pangs of separation. What is pang? What do you mean by pang? Pang means strong pain. Pang is a strong pain. And you also have to know the pain. You gave me a pain that you killed my son. This old man is saying that you killed my son. And you should also know this pain. How painful it is. You should also know. So your son will also be lose. Your son will also be killed by someone. Then you will know. So this is the curse that is Shravana's parents gave to Dasharatha. So Dasharatha is cursed. And that is how Dasharatha brought a curse upon himself. Later, he had to suffer separation from Rama, his beloved son. So, Dasharatha has got this curse. This curse was upon Dasharatha's head, and he also suffered like this. He also lost his son. He also was separated from his son named Rama. What is the name of the son of Dasharatha? Dasharatha's son was Rama, and Dasharatha also felt this pain of separation. Why he felt this pain of separation? Because he has done wrong to some other parents. So he have took the life of one boy. So this curse is now on Dasharatha's head, and Dasharatha was separated from his son Rama. Is that clear for you? So what happened? Dasharatha was a proud king, and he was very well in hunting. He was very strong in hunting. He had got a nice hearing, and he could hunt the animals without even seeing it. And one day, when he heard a gurgling sound, he thought that it is an animal, and he shooted. But that was a boy named Shravana, and he told that, "You have killed me, king. My parents are waiting there in the forest. You go and tell them you have killed their son." And the parents were blind. Those parents couldn't see, and they had no vision. So this parent said that, said to Dasharatha, they cursed Dasharatha that you took the life of our son, and you will also be separated from your son. This was the curse, and this happened later. Dasharatha was also separated from his son named Rama. Okay, clear? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, write down your notes. Okay, thank you.